Lawrence Vigouroux is a professional footballer who plays as a goalkeeper for League 2 club Leyton Orient. Vigouroux started within the youth setup at Brentford, but in 2012 he joined the academy at Tottenham Hotspur. Vigouroux signed his first professional contract with Tottenham in June 2013. In the 2013-2014 season, Vigouroux was loaned to non-league side Hyde United. He would go on to make 12 appearances for Hyde United. In July 2014, Vigouroux would join Liverpool. He quickly became the first choice goalkeeper for the reserve side and would go on to extend his contract a further 2 years. On August 4, 2015, Vigouroux was loaned to League 1 side Swindon Town for the rest of the season. Vigouroux finished the 2015-2016 season making 36 appearances in all competitions and kept 5 clean sheets. On the 1st of July 2016, he joined Swindon Town on a 3-year permanent contract ahead of the 2016-2017 season. Over the course of that season, Vigouroux won the Player of the Season award for Swindon Town, recording 12 clean sheets in 43 league games despite Swindon Town getting relegated. He played 86 games for Swindon Town before being loaned out to League of Ireland Premier Division side Waterford. He played 19 games for Waterford, and Vigouroux left after establishing himself as a fan favourite among Waterford supporters. He was released by Swindon at the end of the 2018-2019 season. On the 31st of July 2019, he joined Chilean club Everton from Vina del Mar, but that was cut short after the country's football federation cancelled the season due to social unrest. On the 2nd of January 2020, Vigouroux signed for Leyton Orient on a free transfer. He has made 44 appearances for Leyton Orient so far. Vigouroux has represented Chile as a youth international. However, he is also eligible to represent Jamaica because of parentage.